In this video, you will learn how to navigate the Precision Locator's menu screen and the functionality of each menu item. The Precision Locator settings are accessed via the menu, and here it is possible to change settings according to your personal preferences and operating requirements. Firstly, ensure the locator is switched on by pressing the power key for 2 seconds. To navigate the locator menu, press the power key briefly to enter the menu, use the up and down keys to scroll through the menu options, press the antenna key to enter the options submenu, use the up and down arrows to scroll through the submenu options, press the F key to make a selection and return to the previous menu. Then press the power key again briefly to return to the main operation screen. There are 16 menu options available on the Precision Locator range that all follow the same format. The Vol menu option allows you to adjust the speaker volume from 0, mute, to 3, loudest. The Bat menu option allows you to set the locator battery type to match the currently installed type. This is to ensure optimal performance and correct battery level indication. The battery options are alkaline, nickel metal hydride or lithium ion, although lithium ion rechargeable battery packs will automatically be detected by the locator. The Lang menu option allows you to select a menu language. The locator supports a number of languages. The BT menu option allows you to manage the Bluetooth connection between the locator and a TX transmitter and other devices such as PDAs. The protocol action allows you to tell the locator what format the data should be sent in to the external device. The reset option can be used to forget all connections on the device. The pair submenu has 2 options allowing you to connect to a TX transmitter or an external device. The data menu option allows you to delete or send saved survey measurement data to a connected device via a Bluetooth connection. The exit option can be used to disable the communication channel. The BT PC option allows you to turn on or off the sending of data automatically to a connected PDA or computer. The GPS menu is only found on GPS locator models and allows you to enable and disable the internal GPS module. The SBAS augmentation option improves the internal GPS accuracy. You can also select to use an external GPS source. The CDR mode can be used when using a current direction frequency. Before using current direction, you should always use the CD reset option, allowing you to find a new target utility. Alternatively, a shortcut to resetting CD is to hold down the F key when you are in a CD frequency. The Units menu gives you the option of displaying metric or imperial units on the screen. The Info menu option allows you to run a self-test which checks the basic functionality of the locator. You can also display the date of the most recent service recalibration or the most recent eSearch calibration. The Power menu option allows you to select the correct local power network frequency, 50 Hz or 60 Hz. The ANT menu allows you to enable or disable antenna modes. Frequency gives you the option of enabling or disabling individual frequencies on the locator. The Alert option allows you to enable or disable Strike Alert, which tells you when a shallow utility has been detected. Arrow gives you the option of displaying proportional guidance, guide, or null arrows in Peak Plus mode. Comp allows you to enable or disable the display of the compass feature. For more information on how to use radio detection products, always refer to the user manual or contact Radio Detection to find out about our training courses.